If you are looking for realistic voices, I mean human-like voices that you can use for your voiceovers, for your channel, for your avatar, for your storytelling, African folktales, then this tutorial is for you. Because in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can use the latest 11 Labs V3 to create your text to speech. And the amazing thing about this platform is they give you monthly free credits, so you can try them for a couple of months before you even think of subscribing to their packages. So guys, let's not waste time, let's get right into it. If you are not yet a part of this family, click on that subscribe button because I drop educational videos like this every week. So guys, the particular platform I'm talking about is called 11 Labs. You can access this on your phone as an app, you can access it on your laptop, you can access it on your web, so whichever one you're using. As you can see, this tutorial was strictly done on my phone just to show you guys that you can actually do everything here using your phone. So when you come here, these are the different kind of things that 11 Labs can do. As you can see, it can create music, do sound effects, dub videos, audiobook, instant speech, a lot of things that you can actually do. And the best part is that it gives you monthly free credits, so you can first use their monthly free credits to see if you are okay with what you're getting, and then if peradventure later as you're growing your channel you need to pay for a subscription, then you can consider doing that. But what we are going to look at today is the voice generation, that is the speech generation platform. So this is the home page. When you log in with your email, you're going to click on this toggle over here, and as you can see, these are the different things that you can do. You can also see that it has a particular new feature, that is the image and video creation. This is still under works, but we are going to focus on our text to speech because that is what is most important for your voiceover, for your African folktales, or even if you're using an AI avatar, that is where you are concerned with. So we're going to click on text to speech. It's going to load up the platform. So once you're here, as you can see, you are able to put in your voice, that is the voice that you want to use, and then you're able to paste your text. But the amazing thing is that they just launched a new speech maker, that's text to speech, which we're going to look into. With this one, you don't need to stress yourself. It's going to, based on what you give it, be able to give you what is suitable for the text. So basically, if you click on this, this is an example of some of the voices that I use. So you have African voices, you have English voices, you have different types of voices. Just listen to this.
Greatness lies within you. Every step forward, no matter.
So listen to this.
Without patience, one cannot get far in life.
So you have different voices, even if it's like the American voices that
love all, trust a few, do wrong to none.
So depending on what you are after, you're able to use any of these voices. So all you need to do is to come here and then paste your prompt. I already have one that I've copied before, so I'm just going to paste it, just like a little introduction to the story. But one thing you should know about 11 Labs is it thrives on punctuation marks. So if you give it punctuations, you put in brackets certain things, like you want the character to laugh in a particular place, you want it to sign a particular place, you just have to put it under the ellipsis. And then if you want to emphasize on a particular word, you just need to put it on a capital letter. So for this one now, in order to make it more realistic, I'm just going to add some things in capital letters just to give it that narrative touch. So let's say this endless, we're going to add it in capital letter, and then let's put Lala in capital letter. So basically like that. Places you want emphasis, we're just going to put it in capital letters, just as an example. So you basically put those parts that you want in capital letters. If you want there to be space, put a comma or put ... like this place. If I want a bit of breather, I can put ... so like that. And then when you're through, this is where you check the model of the speech maker. So this enhanced alpha is currently the best. If you click on settings, you can see that it is the most expressive, meaning it's going to make it as human-like as possible. There are other models, but guys, just put it on enhanced alpha because that is currently the best. So once you are done with everything, you are okay with your text, then you click on generate speech, and this is so fast. It works so fast, guys. And then it's going to give us two options when it finishes generating. You can listen.
In a small village at the edge of an endless forest lived a young girl named Lala, known for her laughter that sounded like tiny bells.
Isn't that amazing, guys? Let's listen to the second one.
In a small village at the edge of an endless forest lived a young girl named Lala, known for her laughter that sounded like tiny bells. But Lala had one secret.
Isn't that amazing, guys? So all you need to do if you want to download is to click on the download button, and that is it. So very easy and straightforward. If you are into folk tales, you are into storytelling channels, or you just have an avatar that you need a voice for, 11 Labs is your best bet. And the fact that they give free monthly credit just changes the whole game. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you feel, and I'll see you on another video of mine. Talk to you later. Bye.